So graduation is building up of weight. The amount of weight is determined by use of elevation, what comes first. The amount of weight what you're creating of a graduation of weight you create on the corners on the hair is the amount of elevation, is determined by the elevation of the hair. So graduation is building up of weight. The amount of weight is determined by the use of elevation. Graduation can be created both internal and external shapes. First, I will explain to you what is internal and external shapes. External shape is everything out of the hairline, long hair. They can create a square shape, pull all the hair down to this line, invisible line, once you cut becomes visible, square and square. So here on long hair, you can create triangular shape for them. Triangular shape. You see those long hair, they have that point, the long point, and short here, that's triangle. Could be round at the back and triangle to the side. That's the outside shape. So from everything within the hairline, it's an inside internal shape. So everything here, pompadour, those crop top would be a short fringe. If it's long here, it is a triangular shape. Everything that is in here above the hairline, it is internal shape. So when you look at 90, above 90 layers, under 90 is graduation. Okay, now this is graduation. Long to short. If I pull this hair from here, pull all the way down to 0, there's no graduation, but it's heavy, 10 times heavy. So graduation, it's achieved by over direction or the elevation of the hair. Graduation, diagonal back or forward. Graduation, everything from 40 to 0. When it gets to 0, there's no graduation, but everything above 0 till 90 is graduation. More than 90, no graduation. It's flat. Over 90s, layers, under 9 graduation and massive of weight.